guys, what's up? Welcome back to my Band Baja Budget wedding series. In today's video, we are going to be decorating this beautiful DIY wedding stage using these multicolor silk thread tassels. So guys, I'm using these beautiful multicolor silk thread tassels. In case you want to purchase this from me, it is available in my online DIY wedding store. Do go check out my link in description. I've got many other beautiful wedding props available. Do go check out the link in description box, guys. So let's get started. Let me show you how did I decorate the entire DIY stage here. I'm using this Amazon backdrop stand that I bought from Amazon. In case you want to create your own backdrop stand, that is also possible. So first of all, what you can do is you'll have to tie a thread from one side to the other in this stand. I'll exactly tell you why I'm doing this. This is basically to hold the props that we are going to hang later. So सबसे पहले तो I'm going to hang the backdrop cloth of yellow and pink color here. I got this for really cheap price from the market, guys. You can also use colorful dupattas or bed sheets. See how I'm hanging it. You know, when you hang your backdrop cloth, the thread or the rope that you have actually tied behind your backdrop stand, it has to be outside like this. So this is the back side of the stage right now that I'm showing. Guys, I'm just using our normal safety pins to secure the backdrop cloths together so that make sure, it just doesn't go off, when the wind blows and things like that. I also have this Rani pink color backdrop cloth that I'm going to use on either of the sides. Guys, check out these pom-pom hangings that I'm using here. These are multicolor woolen pom-pom hangings with tassels which are 6 feet long. I've actually created a stage using only pom-pom hangings. Check this out. The link is there in the description box. In this particular stage, I'm just using 2 pom-pom hangings on either of the sides with the Rani pink backdrop so that, it looks really good. Guys, I would just like to take like one moment of your time and tell you, in case you are new to my channel, अगर आप मेरा वीडियो पहली बार देख रहे हैं, hello, my name is Jamie and I post new DIY wedding videos every week. In case you haven't yet subscribed to my channel already, then please do take a moment and subscribe, guys, because it will mean a lot to me. So now it's time to decorate the stage with these beautiful multicolor tassels. In case you want to purchase these tassels, they are available on my online store. Please do go and check out the link in description. These are really beautiful multicolor tassels which are made with silk thread. Each of them is 12 inches long and they also have a golden hook on top so that it's really easy to hang them. I'm using thread also to hang them like this. Let me show you how I'm going to put it up in the back side of the stage. So here we have the thread and here I have the rope that I had actually put up on the back side of the stage, if you remember in the starting of the video. So I'm just tying up the thread of the tassel to this particular rope so that it stays properly. So this is how we hang our tassel onto our DIY stage. And so guys, I'm just going to repeat the process for all the tassels. So I am using multicolor tassels here. So since we have like pink and yellow background, I'm using other colors like blue, red, green, Rani pink here so that there's a contrast of those colors to yellow color. You can create the stage anyways, guys. You can customize your colors. You can let me know in case you want some other colors. We can get it customized. So do go check out the link in description. Do go check out my online wedding store for more details. Guys, so here I've almost completed my entire tassel stage. I'm just going to use a table now to use as a bridal seat. So to cover it, I'm using this ruffle saree that I bought from Amazon. Guys, since my videos are all about DIYs, in case you want to DIY these tassels all by yourself, I've already made another video on my channel. I'll put the link in description so that you get to know how to DIY these tassels all by yourself. But guys, in case you want to customize these tassels from me, do go check out the link in the description box to my online wedding store. I'm also using these earthen pots which I've decorated myself with acrylic colors and some glass. I'm also using marigold flowers. Here it's synthetic artificial marigold flowers that I got from Amazon. So guys, our bridal stage is all ready. So this I've actually made a 7 feet by 6 feet stage and this is how it looks. It's beautiful. I really like the whole concept of these multicolored tassels because it makes the whole stage look even more colorful and vibrant and refreshing, which I suppose is obviously the whole theme of a haldi stage, right guys? This tassel stage was actually very easy and quick to make because these are ready to hang tassels that you can directly hang onto your backdrop. It's actually like anybody can DIY, anybody can create this DIY stage with these ready to hang tassels, and I personally love the entire vibe of these multicolor tassel. Let me know in the comment section below कि आपको ये वाला stage कैसा लगा, ये वाला stage idea कैसा लगा. Also let me know in the comment section below कि आपको कैसे कैसे videos देखना है.